Hey everyone, welcome back to Day Trade with Tony. Of course, I am Tony, and we're talking about day trading. So, is it day trading equities? Now, I didn't do a live stream yesterday, Monday, the 13th of November. So, I traded two stocks. We finished 10,600 up, two winners. I traded TIVC was the ticker pre-market, and then I traded MSP Recovery, which the ticker is LIFW, for a gap and go at the bell. Traded that for half an hour and managed to get over $9,000 on that. And that's a recorded one, so I'll show you the recorded. That's the majority of today's trading. So I'll show you the recording of that video. I'll speed it up so you don't have to sit through it for half an hour, but maybe 15 minutes or something. So I'll double the speed on it, and you can watch that shortly after this recap. So where are we as a result of? Let's just walk through the trades that we took today. So. Okay, so we're looking at yesterday, Monday, the 13th of November, and you can see that we got a little bit green pre-market, and then we shot up, and for half an hour we just rode the one stock up to 9,000. So let's have a look at that. So what I want to talk about most is the MSP Recovery. Let's look at the chart on MSP Recovery. And you can see here straight away out of the blocks. Let's kind of spread this out so we can actually see what actually happened. We were already up yesterday's Friday's closing price, as opposed to yesterday. Friday's closing price was around 530. It moved up pre-market, so it's a bit of a gap up, and then we're out of the blocks, so a little bit of a pullback before then the gap and go. So then we moved up. We got in for the break of new highs here, and then we added to the position, took some quick profits. Added back as it moved back up, and as it pulled back, we took some profits here. It pulled back again. We entered, although it did pull back. We held because it was just showing bullish signs of volatility, and we got in again. Took some more profits on the way up. Rode this all the way up to the highs over $8, and we got stopped out up here just over $8. It did pull back hard, but then it started to make bullish signs again. So we got back in and rode this back up to towards 780. It was looking a little bit. Weak up at underneath $8, finding resistance at $8. It went up over kind of at 830, but earlier, but then it sold off. So we were out, and that was the trade. So you'll be able to watch that in a moment. And a good start to the week. We did have a small green day, and if you recall, on Friday I left the live stream on Friday with a position in the trade desk. TTD, and I said it was going up to 65, and I waited pretty much about 3 or 4 hours, but it went up to 65. I was right. It kind of went up to about 65.40 and then pulled back. But once it got to 65, I got out for a small profit. Small profit on Friday was just 1,800. So I think it's 1,700 actually. So let's have a look at the calendar and where we're actually at right now. So 1,800 it was. I was right the first time on Friday. 10,600 on Monday. We'll see what today has in store a little bit later. Where does that put us on the month? Well, let's find out. And we've still got the rest of the December and half of November. Remember, next week is a short week. We've got Thanksgiving and half day on Black Friday. And don't forget that Black Friday, if we talk while we're talking about Black Friday, you can get on the Day Trade with Tony education program for 40% off using the code all caps Black Friday 40. And that gives you 40% off. Check the link in the description. So we're 95k on the month, which is showing to be a decent month. Where does that put us on the year, which is really what we want to be concentrating on at this moment in time? We're coming into the business end of the year now. We had a poor summer. Great start to the year. First 5 months of the year were great. Then a poor summer, and then we want to be looking at where we are on just shy of 1.3. We're 3.5K away from 1.3 gross. What yesterday did do is it got us just over the 1.1 million mark net. So that puts us right on track for the net number. So we're pretty much tracking at the right level on both net and growth. So target, we've got the rest of November to come. So a positive day later today when the bell rings, and we will have hit the target pro rata for the end of November, with effectively 3 weeks remaining. So that's where we are on the year. Year to date, as you can see, 2 to 1 is kind of my ratio of trade success in terms of trade accuracy. If we look at where we're actually at here versus September, a day over gold today will probably take us beyond September. So it will then become the 5th best month of the year if we can get beyond September. So, you know, that's a goal to be aiming for. Certainly this week, maybe not later today, but certainly this week we're looking for goal this week. So that's pretty much where we are on the month and on the year. So all to play for. I'll be, of course, trading live. Come join me. 8 a.m. I didn't trade live yesterday. I had a lot going on yesterday. I was consolidating a lot of financial issues. I was, making. I was on a few different conference calls as well, so I didn't have the opportunity to go live yesterday. But we'll make up for it later, and we'll go live as we normally do, with the odd exception like yesterday. We go live 8 a.m. So come join us 8 a.m. for 90 minutes before the market opens, and we'll be trading the pre-market, and then we'll do another 90 minutes after the bell rings. So come join us then. In the meantime, I'll let you enjoy this trade replay of MSP recovery. So the gap and go, we got in just after the bell rang as it started to break highs, and rode it all the way up. Worked to fill for the pullback at the top, and then got the bounce for the remainder. And enjoy the trade. In the meantime, I'll see you later.